In this video, I want to show you how you can get Makerere admissions online. Yeah, so let's go in and I show you how you can do it. You'll go to the portal that you used to apply. Yes, the portal you used to apply. It is at admissions.mac.ac.ug. Then when it opens, yeah, you leave it to load and open. When it opens, you can log in depending on the information you used to log in, or you signed on the system with. You can either log in with email or phone. Yes, if you use the email while applying, you logged in using an email while applying, then you can log in with an email. But if you use the phone, then you come here, you click on login with the phone. Yeah, so you click on login with the phone number, if it's the one that you used to log in to the system. Yeah, it says login successful. It brings you to this interface. Yeah, when you were applying, you saw this interface. This is why you selected the course and everything. You clicked on this and you applied. But for now, we want to access our admissions. What you do, you come here. You can see there are 3 tabs: apply now, application history, then admission history. So you click on admission history. Yes, once you click on admission history, it brings you to this interface. Now on this interface, what you do, you come here on download admission. You click on download admission. As you can see, it is downloading the admission. Yeah, so congratulations, you have now accessed your admission. As you can see, there is fee structure, everything is in there. So what you do, download and print it out. Yeah, so this is your admission letter. So you print it out and come with it. Yes, you read through the information and the fee structures. The fee structures are different for every course, so they may not be similar. So what you do, you come here, you click on this download button, this one here. Yes, then once this pop-up comes, you can save it to your computer or phone and go and print it out. Admission. So you can call it admission. Then after saving it, it will start downloading. As you can see on the left side, lower side, the PDF is downloaded. So what you do, you go print it out there, then that is your admission. So the process is as simple as that. So if you know someone is stuck, please advise that person to come back to the portal that person needs to apply to access his or her admission. Yes, so in case you have any other questions, always my contacts are in the description. You can contact me and ask me for any advice in matters concerning your application. Yes, so let's meet in another video. But if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. This is educational channel. There is a lot of information that you need, so please subscribe, hit that notification bell. You'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah, so let's catch up in the next video.